Okay, this is example 3 in our notes. It's asked us to show that the sum of r upon r plus 1 between 1 and n gives us this. So again, fairly standard question. That's how we can go with it. So this here, if we multiply out our bracket here, that's going to be the same as the sum between r equals 1n of r squared plus r. All I've done there is multiply the bracket. That's the same. We can separate that out because that's like all the r squareds. That's all they are. So just separate it into two separate formulas. R squared from r equals 1 up to n plus sigma for r equals 1 up to n for r. We have two formulas for these. You'll see them above in your notes. So let's substitute those in. The formula for this one from 1 to n is a sixth n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1, and the formula for this one is going to be a half n upon n plus 1. We need to try and join this together and try and make it equal then to this up at the top. So what we're going to do, we're going to take out a couple of common factors and try and factorize this. People struggle with this a wee bit, but there's a common n plus 1 there. There's a common n in both of them. And we're actually going to take out a sixth and think about then what it's going to give us. So you're really better doing this backwards in your head. A sixth n upon n plus 1 multiplied by what is going to give us this? That's a nice easy one. That's a 2n plus 1. A sixth n multiplied by n plus 1 is going to give us, multiplied by what is going to give us this. So hopefully we can see this here is the same as this, apart from this is a sixth, this is a half. So if we multiply this by 3, so that's what we end up then with there. Let's start to tidy it up and get rid of our square bracket. So that's a sixth n upon n plus 1. 2n plus 1 plus 3 is nice and straightforward. It's just 2n plus 4. There's a common factor of 2. I'm going to take that out and put it on the top of this fraction here. It's going to give me 2 over 6, which I'm going to change into a third. n plus 1. N plus 2, which is what we were asked for in the question. So that's that one done.